Guess what?
What?
I got Robux, so yay.
What you said? You're gonna tell me? No. I swear I won't. Okay. Close your eye. Go in. Where are we? Open your eyes. Is this our new house?
Yup.
You built it. You put my Robux. Hey yo, I'm gonna make breakfast. Okay. I can't wait to propose to her. Woo! Breakfast is ready. Hold up, I don't even know what that said. No problem. This is really good. Sure. You know, bacon. What did you marry me? Okay. I'm being dramatic right now. Bro, this is actually too funny. Dances uncontrollably.
A few minutes later, months.
You're gonna be a dad. Wait. You're pregnant? Yep. I'm gonna be a dad. Sir, you could say, see your wife. Mayor, star kid. Me, her face. Oh, she's so cute. Let's go home.